Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva. So what is Canva? It's an Australian graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. This can be online or print. And the app also includes different templates that you can use and choose from, or you can completely create your own template and start from scratch. Some of its uses are business-based, personal use, or then teaching. I personally use it the most for myself, and then for work. I work in the marketing department for a mortgage firm, so I do all of their social media graphics and then all of their print graphics, so it comes in handy significantly for that use. And some of the goals and objectives are to learn how to save and export your project, understanding the various tools to create a project, and then how to organize documents within that desktop screensaver. So when you open Canva and create an account, then you're going to have a home page that looks similar to this. I have all of my projects from previous instances down here, but then you can also go ahead and choose from the quick ones right here, or you can search for one up here. So this is a little search bar. I'm just going to search desktop, and it'll come up. So I'll do desktop wallpaper. And it'll come up with a ton of different templates like these, or you can go ahead and create your own. I'm going to go ahead and create my own. And then up in the top left corner, you're also able to select previous templates too. So I've used this one in the past, but let's say I don't really like this one. I can customize it however I want. I can change the size of these little boxes. I can completely get rid of them if I want. I can delete little elements. I can add my own. Let's do a pumpkin. So that won't save as the moving file, but I will be able to see it as just like a sticker. But let's say I don't like the background color. I can go up here and I can change it. Let's do a green. And then I can also change this photo as well. So if I want something like Halloween, I can just search for Halloween up here. And then there's so many different things that come up. I can do that little picture. So it's really customizable. You can pretty much do whatever you want with it. And then to save, I can go up here and hit share. And you can either share it with different people, kind of like how you would a Google file, or you can share the link. And there's two different options for that. So you can do a private one, only people that you specifically add can access it, or anybody with the link. And then to download, you hit download, and then I personally usually save these as JPEGs because then I'll upload it to my desktop photos and then be able to save it to my actual desktop from there. So that's just easiest for me. So then you hit download, and then it'll automatically be saved up here, and then you'll have that file.